How to borrow money from Afterpay. Open the Afterpay app on your mobile device or visit the Afterpay website. Log in to your Afterpay account using your credentials. Navigate to the shop directory or browse retailers section to explore participating stores. Browse through the available retailers and select the item you wish to purchase. At the checkout, choose Afterpay as the payment method. If eligible, select the option to pay later or Afterpay it. Follow the prompts to complete your purchase and initiate the Afterpay installment plan. Provide any required information for approval. Review the terms and conditions, including the repayment schedule and any applicable fees. Hope you understood the entire topic. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.